From the Bob Mills Weather Center, meteorologist Cassie Heiter.
Well, it's been a wild ride these past several days in Oklahoma City, getting quite a bit of rain so far for the month of November. We are at 5.68, so we're 5.32 above where we should be this day. But now looking at the past 7 days, we're actually a little over 6 inches in Oklahoma City, seeing over 7.5 in Guthrie, almost 7 inches there in Stillwater, 6.7 in Midwest City, and nearly 5 inches over in Hinton. So tons of rain, really from central to eastern Oklahoma, northwest Oklahoma also getting in on that rain. But man, it's been really nice. We just didn't necessarily want it all at once. However, we do actually have some more rain on the way. This low is actually a little bit farther to the west. You can see all the snow showers across Colorado and in New Mexico. You can see the winter storm warnings, and we even have that winter storm watch in the far western part of our panhandle. Well, this storm, it's all part of what will bring us mostly rain and storms once we get into Thursday night and into Friday. But right now it's nice and quiet. This is our Integris camera up over Lucky Star Sky Chem Network. We're at 64 degrees. That wind's coming in out of the east-southeast between about 10 to 15. We're at 60 in Enid, 64 in Minco, 60 in Tecumseh, 61 right now in Chandler. We've got upper 50s and low 60s across the north, but already seeing mid and upper 60s across the south. And believe it or not, the western panhandle, we've got upper 30s to low 40s. That's also where we've got that north wind between about 20 to 35 miles an hour, while the rest of us still have more of a southeast wind, anywhere between about 10 to 22, even 25 miles an hour. So just a little bit more breezy west of I-35 today. This storm system, it is a slow mover, but it will be turning, and it's going to be making its way off to the east. You can see just all the water vapor. You can see how that's spinning right there. Well, over the next couple of days, this rain will finally move in, but I think by later tomorrow evening, we're only going to get that rain in far western Oklahoma. So if you have any plans during the day in Oklahoma City, I think we're going to be dry. I think we're certainly going to have some clouds around. I really don't expect to see more rain move into Oklahoma City until probably very early Friday morning. But during the day, Friday afternoon, I expect those scattered showers to eventually make their way just east of I-35. I think we're going to see the heaviest rain once we get into Friday night into early Saturday morning. Notice this is 1 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, so by mid to late morning, everything's in far eastern Oklahoma, and by the afternoon, it's going to be out of here, and we should actually work in some sunshine later in the day Saturday. Today, though, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, about 66 in Guthrie, 65 in Choctaw, 65 in Piedmont, and 65 this afternoon in Mustang. The low to mid 60s across the north. We've also got low 70s across the southern half of the state, and then tomorrow afternoon, temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s, so it will be a little bit cooler. But tonight, temperatures drop down into the mid 40s here in Oklahoma City. We've got upper 30s in Enid, 39 in Ponca City, about 40 tomorrow morning in Alva, and then tomorrow afternoon we're actually looking at the 70s across the southeast, and temperatures will be a little bit cooler out to the west because eventually that's where the rain will move in first, but just a slight chance across the west. Now it's 100% guaranteed across the panhandle. You can see that snow out there. By tomorrow evening it could be warm enough. We're going to see more of a winter mix in that part of the state, but in western Oklahoma the rain will basically be guaranteed to be there, with just a slight chance I think tomorrow evening in Oklahoma City. But tomorrow night to Friday morning, now it finally certainly does move in. By Friday afternoon, temperatures struggling to make it out of the upper 50s here in the metro, low 60s across the east, and only the mid 40s in Woodward, low 50s in Alva, the upper 30s around the panhandle. Again, Friday afternoon and evening, we're going to continue to see rain and storms. By Friday night to Saturday morning, everything moves off to the east. So how much rain are we looking at? I think we're going to certainly see a lot more rain across the west, anywhere from a few inches to up to 5, but here in central Oklahoma, 2 to 4. The farther east you go, we're not looking at as much, but that's still plenty. We're talking 1 to 3 inches. So looking at over the next few days, we are expecting those rain and storms to move in, but I think for Friday afternoon and evening, that's when we're going to see that best time for Oklahoma City. But this weekend, we're looking dry. Lisa, back to you.